about lemongrass, which is also called as citronella. It is a tall, stocky plant. It has a fresh, lemony aroma and a citrus flavor. It's common ingredient in Thai cooking and bug repellent. Lemongrass essential oil is used in aromatherapy to freshen the air, reduce stress, and uplift the mood. Lemongrass is also used as folk remedy to promote sleep, relieve pain, and boost immunity. Now we'll look at the amazing benefits of lemongrass. Number 1. It has antioxidant properties. According to a study published in the Journal of Agriculture and Food Chemistry, lemongrass contains several antioxidants which can help scavenge free radicals in your body that may cause disease. Antioxidants of note are chlorogenic acid and isoorientin. Number 2. It has antimicrobial properties. Lemongrass tea may help treat oral infections and cavities thanks to its antimicrobial properties. According to a 2012 in vitro study published by the National Institutes of Health Trusted Source, lemongrass essential oil showed antimicrobial abilities against Streptococcus mutans bacteria, the bacteria most responsible for tooth decay. Further research trusted source found lemongrass oil and silver ions may work together against several types of bacteria. Number 3. It has anti-inflammatory properties. Inflammation is thought to play a role in many conditions, including heart diseases and stroke. According to the Memorial Sloan Kettering Cancer Center, two of the main compounds in lemongrass, citral and geraniol, are thought to be responsible for its anti-inflammatory benefits. Number 4. It may reduce your cancer risk. The citral in lemongrass is also thought to have potent anti-cancer abilities against some cancer cell lines. Several components of lemongrass help fight cancer. This occurs either by causing cell death directly or boosting your immune system so that your body is better able to fight off cancer on its own. Lemongrass tea is sometimes used as an adjuvant therapy during chemotherapy and radiation. Number 5. It may help promote healthy digestion. A cup of lemongrass tea is a go-to alternative remedy for upset stomach cramping, and other digestive problems. A 2012 study on rodents established by the National Institutes of Health Trusted Source showed that lemongrass may also be effective against gastric ulcers. The study found that the essential oil of lemongrass leaves can help protect the stomach lining against damage from aspirin and ethanol. Regular aspirin use is a common cause of gastric ulcers. Number 6. It acts as a diuretic. In the world of natural health, lemongrass is a known diuretic. A diuretic makes you urinate often, ridding your body of excess fluid and sodium. Diuretics are often prescribed if you have heart failure, liver failure, or edema. A 2001 study evaluating the effects of lemongrass tea in rats showed diuretic activity similar to green tea without causing organ damage or other side effects. Number 7. It may help reduce high systolic blood pressure. In a 2012 observational study, 72 male volunteers were given either lemongrass tea or green tea to drink. Those who drank the lemongrass tea experienced a moderate drop in systolic blood pressure and a mild increase in diastolic blood pressure. They also had a significantly lower heart rate. Although these findings are exciting if you have high systolic blood pressure, researchers caution that men with heart problems should use lemongrass in moderation. This can cause you avoid dangerous drops in heart rate or increased diastolic pressure. Number 8. It may help regulate your cholesterol. High cholesterol may increase your risk of heart attack or stroke. A study published in the Journal of Advanced Pharmaceutical Technology and Research Trusted Source showed that lemongrass oil extract helped to lower cholesterol in animals. The reduction in cholesterol was dependent on the dose. In 2011, further research on mice confirmed the long-term safety of up to 100 mg lemongrass essential oil daily. More research is needed to see if lemongrass tea has the same effects as lemongrass oil. Number 9. It may help you lose weight. Lemongrass tea is used as a detox tea to kickstart your metabolism and help you lose weight. Even so, most research on lemongrass and weight loss is anecdotal, not scientific. Since lemongrass is a natural diuretic, if you drink enough of it, you're likely to drop some pounds. In general, replacing soft drinks and other sugar-sweetened drinks in your diet with herbal teas like lemongrass may help you reach your weight loss goals. However, you shouldn't drink lemongrass tea exclusively. This can increase your risk of side effects. Try alternating cups of lemongrass tea with water or other unsweetened drink. Number 10. It may help relieve symptoms of PMS. Lemongrass tea is used as a natural remedy for menstrual cramps, bloating, and hot flashes. There isn't any research specifically on lemongrass and PMS, but in theory, its stomach soothing and anti-inflammatory properties may help. Additionally, according to the article published in the Journal of Advanced Pharmaceutical Technology and research trusted source, lemongrass oil is useful in helping to cool the body. Number 11. To boost the red blood cells level. The result of a 2015 study suggests that drinking lemongrass tea infusions daily for 30 days can increase hemoglobin concentration, packed cell volume, and red blood cell count in the body. The researchers took blood tests for 105 human subjects at the start and then at 10 and 30 days into the study. They concluded that drinking lemongrass tea boosts the formation of red blood cells. While they did not identify precisely how lemongrass does this, they did suggest that the tea's antioxidant properties could play a role. Now we'll have a look at the method to prepare lemongrass tea. It is possible to make the lemongrass tea at home. After purchasing the stalks at a grocery store or herbalist, people can follow a simple steps to brew their tea. Cut the stalk into 1 to 2 inch pieces. Boil a cup of water. Pour the boiling water over the lemongrass stalks to steep. Leave the stalks in the water for at least 5 minutes. Strain the liquid from the stalks and pour into a teacup. Adding ice cubes will create a cold lemongrass tea. The tea should have a fresh, citrusy taste. A person should start with 1 cup of lemongrass tea per day, then add more to their diet over the next days if they wish so.